This is a video of one of the most iconic clocks that Copal ever produced, the Model 227. This clock was available in lots of exciting colors and color schemes. This is one of the most distinguished ones, to be honest. It is in very shiny black with a white front and the white flaps. The white flaps are somewhat rare. Most of them have black flaps. This one has white flaps. As you can see, it is working perfectly and it is in a very good condition. And I will just you can see the motor is running through the nice small visor. There it is, yes, in perfect working condition, of course. Let me just set the alarm to see whether it will go off. 1 second there. Just turn that on. This is, to me, a very nice and soothing, calm sound. I would love to wake up to that sound. It's not too bad. Some of these clocks can have a very annoying buzzer. So that is working perfectly. As you can see, there are no damages to the clock, none whatsoever. Quickly turn it around so you can see the bottom of it. 220 volts, standard European plug. And just wait for a minute or so to see the flap turn, so you are 100% sure that it works like a charm. Yes, there we go. Very good.